The IntreLife 34-ounce nut milk maker is a versatile appliance that allows you to create fresh plant-based milk from almonds, soy, oats, and more, making it ideal for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. With its 8 preset programs, this machine offers one-touch convenience for a variety of drinks, including soy milk, nut milk, oat milk, and even milkshakes, ensuring effortless homemade beverages. The inclusion of a nut milk bag, cleaning brush, and a recipe book with 23 ideas means you have all the tools necessary to start creating delicious drinks right away. This milk maker not only saves money compared to store-bought options, but also provides fresher and healthier drinks without preservatives, making it gentle on your stomach. The keep warm function maintains your drink at a comfortable 60 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, perfect for enjoying warm beverages at your leisure. IntreLife stands by their product with a promise to support you if any parts are missing or if the machine does not perform as expected, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase.